Hello again and welcome to the very beautiful 11 Elandra Terrace, Pomona. This is a gorgeous executive style home. Come with me and take a look. Stratford Park is one of the most prestigious addresses in Pomona, especially for those seeking an executive home on low maintenance acreage within easy reach of schools, shops, cafes and all services. 11 Elandra Terrace offers all this and more on 1.6 acres and is the perfect property for the growing family or discerning couple who love to entertain. The home is low maintenance with tile floors throughout the living areas. The 4 bedrooms are carpeted and feature 3 built-in robes. The master suite is massive and includes a lovely bay window with garden outlook, walk-in robe and stylish ensuite with a separate shower and spa bath. The kitchen is light and airy with stunning granite bench tops, Blanco electric oven and ceramic cooktop, dishwasher that has never been used, a walk-in pantry and breakfast bar. Just a short drive to the village centre of Pomona, this home is red hot buying. Perfectly peaceful and private, you do not want to miss this property. I'm Sam from Hargrave Real Estate and I look forward to seeing you soon.